Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's just another quick one because Frizz has very kindly made me a birthday present as well while I was away, and I've only just managed to get around to actually opening it, and I said I would record it for him and get his reaction. So again, thank you so much for making this, and let's get right into opening this up and seeing what it is. So we've got this folder here which I've downloaded. Let's open it up. So first off, let's read this document. Hello Matt, this is my present package. Everyone else is making something else, but I went for something bigger, better. Enjoy. Thank you, and I really do appreciate the other present which I got as well. It honestly means a lot to me. So let's get back into it. Big present. It's got a new banner and a new logo. Ooh, and another README document. So let's open this one up as well. Both banner and logo was made by Frizz Games. We all appreciate what you do. So it's me, Frizz, writing, so I need to do something bigger. What if Matt Asplund, the legend, had a new logo and banner? So that's where my mind went. And I also wanted to hide this process to myself, Milan M, and James, because I trust them a lot. So these logos you see are by me, ready for you to use. Thank you so much, Frizz. Let's go right into looking at them. So let's go with the banner first. So this is the new banner, and I actually do really like this. I have been needing a new banner for quite a while as well. So I might use this or put it in Photoshop just to add my own branding, which I have currently onto there. But that's really nice. I do really like that. It's very nice and clean. Let's go to the logo, which should be here. It's very nice as well. So you can see you've got the branding on there, keeping consistent between the two. That's really nice. I do like them. Nice simplistic branded logo and banner designs that you've got there. So thanks so much, Frizz. I really do appreciate those. So I'll keep looking into them more, maybe put my own twist on them, just to again keep the current branding I've got so people recognize it. But yeah, I really do appreciate it. So thank you so much, Frizz. That does mean a lot. And also your message that you gave in the other video as well means so much to me. So thank you so much once again. So again, thank you, Frizz, for this present. Thank you everybody else for the other present I opened a couple of days ago in another video. Honestly means so much to me, and we're still just getting back into the swing of things, so sorry if I've been a little inactive recently. I've just been trying to catch up on all the messages and all the work which I missed on my week off. But again, thank you so much, and I'll see you all tomorrow in the next video.